Pakistan ranks 129 out of 140 countries on the Rule of Law Index by the World Justice Project. Gender-based violence remains a significant issue, but UN Women's Tehaffush Project, funded by the US Embassy's Office of International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs (INL), is closing the gaps in women's access to justice.
INL funded the Tehaffush program to ensure service delivery that is gender responsive to all these multiple victims of heinous sexual violence and crimes that seek the door of justice on a daily basis.
Tehaffush offers solutions which are not only sustainable but also manageable in the long run by the government itself when they have faced violence of any kind.
Through policy interventions at the provincial level in Punjab, Sindh, and at the federal level in Islamabad, the project is working to empower women. The Tehaffush project focuses on policy reforms, offering technical assistance and lobbying for crucial laws like the Anti-Rape Investigation and Trial Act 2021.
One of the important structures the Act talks about are setting up or establishing anti-rape crisis cells in hospitals.
These anti-rape crisis cells stand as a powerful visual representation of teamwork. This initiative represents one of the most tangible and impactful outcomes of the Tehaffush project. In today's digital world, innovation is crucial. The Tehaffush Project Safe City dashboard and mobile app provide powerful tools for data management and timely responses to gender-based violence, improving safety in urban areas like Islamabad.
UN Women, with the support of INL, developed a national gender data portal for the National Commission on the Status of Women. This is an online platform which is hosted by the NCSW, and it collects data from all parts of the country on 10 different themes.
This dynamic, interactive platform collates statistics and knowledge related to women's rights, enabling evidence-based analysis for legislative, policy, and programmatic recommendations. The Tehaffush project also includes the training of officials across various sectors, ensuring that cases of violence against women (VAW) are handled with care and expertise.
We're also helping the government build the capacity of government officials, especially those working in the justice sector, to learn how to investigate, collect evidence, and prosecute cases of violence against women.
INL एंड तहफ़्फ़ुज़ प्रोजेक्ट्स जो है वो हमारे साथ बहुत इफ़ेक्टिवली काम कर रहे हैं, और उसकी बदौलत हमने बहुत सारे पुलिस पर्सनल को ना सिर्फ ट्रेन किया बल्कि उनकी कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करके 406 पुलिस पर्सनल को ऑल ओवर सिंध प्रोविंस हमने डिप्यूट किया.
The idea is to streamline this and provide women the support that they require, that they can pursue their cases, the evidence can be collected and maintained, and the criminal can be brought to justice.
The United States is committed to continuing its work with Pakistan to provide timely support and assistance to thousands of victims of gender-based violence.
UN Women's Tehaffush Project continues to pave the way for a safer and more just society for women and girls in Pakistan.